Turning market and garden waste into cheap cooking gas and eventually electricity is being trialed in Papua New Guinea to help the country transition to sustainable energy sources. While it's only at the experimental stage at the moment, hopes are it can be developed and rolled out across the Pacific in 5 to 10 years' time. It stinks, it's ugly, attracts flies, and currently considered garbage. 350 tons of organic waste is produced here in Port Moresby, the capital of Papua New Guinea, every day. Waste management is a problem across the Pacific Islands. This project is not seen as a problem but as a solution to some of our energy needs. Freddie is trying to work out how to turn this waste into something useful.
Greenhouse gas emission. So I realized that these are the real issues that we face in Papua New Guinea and even across Pacific as well.
First, he presses it to make this liquid, which is then put into this tank called a biodigester. After fermenting for 3 weeks inside, it produces methane gas.
You take challenges and you see how you can turn that challenge into a solution.
The gas is piped from the fermentation tank to a gas stove, and light up it does. For now, the gas can be used to cook, but one day it could be used for much more, to power the Pacific. I'm Ngalday Tulop, TMC Palau, Island Times Palau, reporting from Port Moresby.